Playtime with Dylan.
Hi, Dylan.
Hi.
What are we playing with today?
A monster truck. And it has a remote control.
That's right. It's a monster truck with a remote control.
Ramp.
And it has an awesome ramp.
No, a wood ramp.
A wood ramp, yeah. All right, let's see it go. Let's see it go. Whoa! That is so cool. Whoa! Lift it, turn it over. Great, good job. Woo! Don't let it get you. Flip it back over. Good job. Whoa, that thing goes fast. You love it, Dale? Are you chasing it all over?
Let me try it.
Let's see it go off the ramp again. I like seeing that. Here it comes. Whoa, cool. Let me get a shot of it coming right at the ramp. Whoa! Ah, Dylan, right into your Batman car. Dylan just loves chasing it all around. Look at how cool it looks. It's this Challenger. It's got big wheels
Yeah.
and cool red flames on it.
Yeah.
And what's on top of it? Like a spider?
What is this on the top?
That is neat. Wild Challenger Turbo.
Turbo.
Awesome.
Awesome. It's trying to race car. Oh.
It died. It needs to be charged.
Oh.
Oh, there it moved a little. But it's not moving like it did before, huh? Oh. All right. Say thanks for watching.